we thought we'd let you know we're stocking right now, and we've done some research. What are the most popular metallic colors on the market right now? And that's what we're going to stock to provide for our customers. So as you can see, we've sourced 20 of the most popular colors on the market. And if you have others, let us know and we can stock them for you and keep them around if you find something more popular. But these are 20 of the most metallic colors that are popular out there to do your variated looks on your floor. So you can create those nice metallic floors with these 20 different colors that we've got. So you're going to combo that metallic pigment up, like one container that we showed you right there, with a 3-gallon kit of epoxy. This is our Flow 100 line of epoxy. We call it Flow because we get good flow with it. Okay, there's regular set, and then there's slow. People love the slow with the metallics because of all the roll time you get. You get, like, we say 45 minutes, but if it's cooler out, like 50, 60 degrees, you'll probably get more than that. So, by the way, you can also use either of these to base coat for a flake system.